What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Always Do by the kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll sprinkle COVID into your Cheerios. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song has one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song, and then there's a little bridge where these same chords are just kind of strummed. I'll show you both of those. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, and you can find the guitar chord diagrams in the free ebook in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So you are in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the first fret. First chord you're going to use is a C major 7. Your ring finger's on the 3rd fret of the A string, and your middle finger's on the 2nd fret of the D. Now this is relative to the capo, so it's starting at the capo, this will be 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on. So 3rd fret A, 2nd fret D. Then you will be using a G chord. All you need here is just take those same 2 fingers, move them down 1 string to where your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the E, and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the A. Then you will need a B minor 7, which you're going to bar the entire 2nd fret with your index finger. Starting on the A string, you don't need to touch the low E. You're going to put your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B. So 3rd fret A, ring finger, or 4th fret A, 4th fret D string with your ring finger, 3rd fret B string with your middle finger. Then you're going to need an E minor with your pinky finger on the high E on the 3rd fret, index finger 2nd fret A, and middle finger 2nd fret D. Then a D chord, which is index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. Now we'll start by learning the first half of the riff. It's pretty simple. It looks like. So what you're doing there is you're going to pick on your C major 7, you're going to pick the A string with your thumb, your D string with your index finger, your G string with your middle finger, and your B string with your ring finger, and you're just picking them all at once and muting. Then you're going to go to that G, and you're going to pick low E with your thumb, D with your thumb, G with your index, B with your middle, and then 2nd fret on the G string with your index finger. And you can mute that B right before you play that. You can use your middle finger or your index finger, doesn't matter. So it looks like. Then same thing here, you're gonna just strum your B minor 7, come to your E minor, pick low E again, D again, G again, and then your high E with your ring finger and your open B string with your middle finger. So, and then to D, and that's just, you're picking the D string with your thumb, your G string with your index, your B string with your middle, and your ring finger is picking the high E. And you're just picking that and muting. So that looks like. And then it just starts all over, and that repeats. So all together, very, very slowly, this riff looks like. And you can strum that C major 7 or pick it, totally up to you. Now once the bridge happens, the song kind of, the guitar kind of comes out a little bit and they're just doing the chords. All you're doing there is just strumming through the chords. The only difference is right when it stops, they go to like a D diminished almost. I think they go C, G, B minor, and then they down strum and end on, which is, it's that D, but you're switching to where your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the G, pinky finger's on the 3rd fret of the B, ring finger's on the 2nd fret of the high E, and your index finger goes on that 1st fret of the D string. That's what makes it that kind of diminished sounding chord. So the last time through, it looks like it's a little hard to switch to, but again, if you want to just strum through the regular chords for that part, that'll work too, but they do go to that D diminished right there. And then it just jumps right back into the There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.